The Nuova Brio Plus 8QT air fryer is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance designed to make healthy cooking easier and more efficient. With a spacious 8-quart capacity, this air fryer is ideal for preparing meals for the whole family, while still maintaining the benefits of compact, small air fryers. The digital touchscreen with a cool white display allows for easy navigation through the air fryer's features, which include a wide temperature range from 50 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius, adjustable in precise 5-degree increments. This model boasts 5 cook functions and an impressive 100 presets, alongside 50 memory slots for your favorite recipes, making it incredibly user-friendly. With 3 wattage settings, 700, 1500, and 1800, it offers flexibility in power consumption, allowing you to choose the setting that best suits your needs. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's essential to take advantage of the air fryer's versatile settings. The Nuova Brio Plus is one of the best small air fryers for those seeking a balance between capacity and convenience. Although it's larger than typical small air fryers, its efficient design makes it a compact solution for larger meals. For the best results, familiarize yourself with the 100 presets and experiment with the 50 memory slots to customize cooking times and temperatures to suit your preferences. Regular cleaning and proper maintenance of the air fryer. The Tasty Crisp TM electric air fryer oven with its 2.6-quart capacity is a perfect choice for those seeking a compact, efficient appliance for healthier cooking. Designed for small spaces, this air fryer delivers crispy, delicious results in minutes, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen. The analog controls are simple to use, allowing you to set the time and temperature with ease, while the auto shut-off feature ensures safety by preventing overcooking. With 1,000 watts of power, this air fryer heats up quickly and cooks food evenly, producing the same crispiness as traditional frying but with much less oil. Its sleek gray design adds a modern touch to your kitchen, and its small footprint makes it ideal for dorms, apartments, or any kitchen with limited counter space. For customer satisfaction, the Tasty Crisp TM is easily one of the best small air fryers available, offering both convenience and performance. To maximize your experience, it's recommended to preheat the air fryer for a few minutes before adding your food, which helps achieve the best results. Additionally, because of its compact size, it's easy to store and clean, making it a hassle-free option for everyday use. Regularly cleaning the basket and other components will keep the air fryer running efficiently and extend its lifespan. If you're looking for a reliable, space-saving appliance, the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven is a multifunctional appliance that combines convenience and performance in a sleek, space-saving design. With 8-in-1 functionality, this countertop oven allows you to air fry, roast, broil, bake, toast, dehydrate, and more, all in one compact unit. The flip-up and away capability is a standout feature, allowing you to easily store the oven by flipping it up against your kitchen backsplash, saving precious counter space when not in use. The oven comes with an air fry basket, wire rack, and crumb tray, making it a versatile tool for a variety of cooking tasks. Its digital controls are user-friendly, providing precise temperature and time settings for optimal cooking. The silver finish adds a modern touch to the kitchen, and the compact design makes it ideal for smaller kitchens or those with limited counter space. For customer satisfaction, the Ninja SP101 is widely regarded as one of the best small air fryers, due to its combination of versatility and space efficiency. To maximize your cooking experience, it's important to take full advantage of the 8-in-1 functionality by experimenting with different cooking modes. Regular cleaning of the air fry basket, wire rack, and crumb tray is crucial for maintaining the oven's performance and ensuring it lasts longer. Additionally, the flip-up and away feature makes it easy to keep your kitchen organized, a significant advantage for those with limited space. If you're looking for an appliance that offers multiple cooking options while also saving space, the Nuova Brio 3QT air fryer offers a compact yet powerful solution for those looking to enjoy healthier meals without compromising on taste. With touchscreen digital controls and an easy-to-read display, this air fryer allows for precise cooking with temperature controls ranging from 100 degrees to 390 degrees, adjustable in 5-degree increments. The advanced linear thermal, linear T technology ensures even cooking by maintaining consistent heat throughout the cooking process, resulting in perfectly crisp and delicious dishes every time. This model also includes built-in safety features, offering peace of mind during use. Ideal for small kitchens or those with limited counter space, the Nuova Brio 3QT air fryer is a renewed product, providing the reliability and performance of a new unit at a more affordable price. For customer satisfaction, it's important to note that while this air fryer is compact, it still delivers powerful performance, making it one of the best small air fryers on the market. To get the most out of your Nuova Brio, ensure that you preheat the unit before adding food, as this helps achieve optimal cooking results. Regular cleaning of the air fryer basket and other components will also prolong its lifespan and maintain its efficiency. Additionally, experimenting with the temperature and time settings can help you discover the perfect cooking conditions for your favorite meals, ensuring that this appliance becomes an indispensable part of your kitchen. The Bella 2QT manual air fryer oven and 5-in-1 multi-cooker is a versatile and compact kitchen appliance that brings convenience and efficiency to your cooking routine. With a 2-quart capacity, it is perfect for small households or anyone looking to prepare quick, healthy meals in smaller portions. This air fryer features a powerful 1200-watt heating system that ensures fast and even cooking, making it easy to achieve the perfect crisp without the need for excess oil. The manual controls offer straightforward operation, allowing you to set your desired time and temperature effortlessly. The removable non-stick crisping tray and basket are both dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The matte black finish gives it a sleek, modern look that fits well in any kitchen. For customer satisfaction, the Bella 2QT manual air fryer oven stands out as one of the best small air fryers. For those who value simplicity and versatility in their kitchen appliances, its 5-in-1 functionality allows you to air fry, bake, broil, roast, and reheat, offering a wide range of cooking options in one compact device. To get the most out of this air fryer, it's recommended to shake the basket halfway through cooking to ensure even crisping. Additionally, the non-stick coating on the tray and basket not only makes cleaning easier, but also prevents food from sticking, ensuring that your meals come out perfectly every time. For a reliable, space-saving solution that delivers great results, the Bella 2QT manual air fryer oven is an excellent choice for any small kitchen.